I and me. Not according to him, ganito, wala. And dapat, brothers, dapat tayo mag-ganito, dapat, no, walang dapat. Because you're sharing about your life. You're not preaching. Hindi ka nagsisermon. Hindi ka nagre-reprimand. You're telling Jesus in your life. You're sharing it with others. Okay? I think that Jesus wants to tell me like this. He wants me to discover Him in this. This is what He wants me to do. Diba? Yan ang sharing. No discussing, no preaching. The moment you discuss, it's the moment you say, ay Brad, nakaka-relate ako sa'yo. Pag share niya, nakaka-relate ako sa'yo. Meron akong tip sa'yo dyan. Alam mo Brad, ganito yan. Inistorbo mo na ang spirit of prayer. Nag-discuss ka na. Don't do that. Don't make any comment. So, halimbawa, distress yung brother mo. Talagang masama loob niya sa sharing niya, nag-iiyak siya. What do you do? At the end of the action group meeting, you comfort him. Patapusin mo na yung closing prayer. Then you comfort him. Brad, kanina, you were saying like this. How can I help you? Tapos na sharing. You can already do that. Or maybe during the meals. Pwede sa kausapin. Brad, mukhang malalim kung dating sa'yo ng problema. How can I help? That is caring. Caring by the action group, caring by the action group leader. But don't do it during the sharing. What if si sister nag-iiyak-iyak? Hindi mapigilan, iyak-iyak siya. Very emotional. What do we do? Buhusan ang tubig. Ano na? Somebody gets a glass of water, tissue. So, also, kapag nag-hysterical, sometimes, somebody takes her out of the action group, puts her in one corner, maybe kung saan may mahangin, then comfort her and pray for her.